for eBay break for 2012 Inception. Got the sealed box here. Sealed live. That's much better. Anyways, sealed box and team names. We'll start. As always, I got the Cardinals and then everybody else. Good luck to everybody who joined. Let's see some good stuff coming out of here. Got the YouTube going over here too, so. Alright. Team's out of here, and let's get this busted open. Oh. Bustin', bustin', bustin'. That's one pack. Empty box, blah, blah, blah. Well, it's still thin. And alright, here's the base cards. We'll show Tony Gonzalez for the Falcons. Base card. We got Des Bryant, another base card, Inception. And then LaShawn McCoy to 252, blue version for the Eagles. And then we got us a Drew Brees for the Saints.
That's a gold, I think.
Gold, numbered to 123. Let's try to keep that in, but for the Saints. And then first hit, got us an on-card auto. That is for the Vikings. And it's Jarius Wright going to the Vikings. That one's not numbered. And then autoed gold numbered to 99 on card of Nick Toon. Numbered to 99. Focus, thank you. On card auto. And then last hit, got us a jumbo jersey. That's a Bernard Pierce. That's numbered to 165. Is that focusing?
No.
There we go. 165. Jumbo jersey, Bernard Pierce. Well, that is the box. Thanks everyone for joining. And you guys all have a good one.